Yeah, we are live. Marcus Body Coding Live. Are you excited? New footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. And today, twist 2. That's the move. Ready to see? Let's go. Yeah, this is the move. Remember, no excuses. Let's do it together. Let's go. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We do a twist and on the heel and we cross. Now with the right, the same. We twist on the balls of the left feet and touch with the right. Twist. And now with the heel with the right and cross. Again with the left. Twist and heel, cross. Twist and heel, cross, twist, heel, cross. Remember, on the balls of the feet. Twist, heel, cross, twist, heel, cross. A bit faster. Twist, heel, cross, twist, heel, cross. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is the move. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. And by the way, you're still here. Amazing. Let's do another practice right now. Face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yes, staring in a mirror. But not doing your makeup. Practicing, of course. Let's go. We'll start with the left. Again, let's go. Let's go. Twist, twist, cross, twist, twist, cross. Again. Move with the hips. Over there. Over there. Notice I move the body 45%, 45 angle here and here. Try it with me. Let's go. There, there, cross. 45, 45, cross. Again. Back. Once again. With the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. This is twist 2. That's the name of the move. And if you're the serious student, check the link above, below, to the side, and join me in the studio for the full tutorial. And if you're Instagram, check the link in my bio and go to the YouTube channel and search for this move. Twist number 2. Yeah, that's the move. And here I will also remind you, this is Marcus Body Coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, whatever style that you want. And make sure to do this move today. Yes, today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So, let's see you tomorrow with a new footwork. No excuses. See you tomorrow then.